Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back. We are continuing the Form 2 Maths first time exam preparation questions. Here you have to do the expansion. Now expansion is I think the hardest of this whole exam paper, I guess, because it requires a lot of patience and there are different methods. Now I'm going to teach you both of the methods, of course. So the first one, do you still remember what is a square? First of all, it means a times a. So now if this whole thing is having a square, that means it's this whole thing times this whole thing. And how do we expand? Expand it means exempt the brackets. There should not be any brackets. That's called expanding. So this a goes here, this a also goes here, and then this b goes here, this b also goes here. So when a goes there, a times a can become a square. A times b can become ab, and then b times a can become ba. B times b can become b squared. Okay, and then is there anything that have the same? Are there any like terms? Are there any same unknowns? Yes, ab or b is the same thing. So you can add them together. 1ab plus 1ab, it becomes 2ab. So the other things, no change. Okay, until here. Now, why did I say I have two different methods? It's actually the same thing. It's just I want you guys not to write these middle steps and go to the final answer. It's up to you. If you have enough time, do all the steps. You can do this way. Or you could directly remember the thing and go to this step. So this whole thing, it's an identity. This thing will equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now you can replace anything with this a and b. Let's say x and y. Then this will be x, this will be x, this will be y, this will be y as well. Right? That's what's happening in the question below. Look here. So it's an a plus b square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Bracket also means time, so you can just write it together. Okay, how about this side? It's minus now. Now if there was a plus, then you have a plus here. If there's a minus, if you still remember, we did it in class, it will have been the minus there. The other things, no change. Okay. If you have time, you can of course do it on your own. This one, expand it this way and see if it's really like this or not. You will then understand it. So it's a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now that square goes here and also goes here. 2 square means 4. And then all the numbers here, 2 times 2 times 3, 4 times 3, 12. And then that square goes here and also goes here. So 3 square means 9. And that's your final answer. Now can we do another one? Now if you see, all these questions is 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3 and a minus in the between. So that means your exam is like that. The only thing changing in exam is the unknowns. The other things, same. Okay, let's continue. So it's a square minus 2ab plus b square. The square goes to both of the things. 2 square means 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. And then 2 times 2 times 3 is 4 times 3 is 12. And then that square is again given to both of them. 3 square means 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, good. Let's just continue. So again, a plus b square, it will equals to a square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Easy. Same goes here. A square minus this time 2ab plus b square. So square is given to both of them. So 4f squared. 2 times 2 times 3 is 12 FG. And then 3 times 3 is 9G square. The square given to G as well. Okay, let's just continue then. So this is A square plus 2A and B plus B square. On the left hand side it's easier, so I'm not doing too much time with that. And both of them are in exam. It's just the unknowns are changed. You will have the easy one and also the harder one. So A square minus 2A B plus B square. The square is given to both of them. 2 square means 2 times 2, which is 4H. 2 times 2 times 3 is 12. 3 square means 3 times 3, which is 9. Cool. Let's continue then. The last one. A square plus 2AB plus B square. How about here? A square minus 2AB plus B square. The square is given to both of them. So 2 square means 2 times 2, which is 4Q square. 2 times 2 times 3 is 12. And then 3 square means 3 times 3, which is 9. So that's for your expansion. Now the others we are already done. Let me check if anything is left. Hopefully no. So these few pages very important, especially starting from page 9. Page 9 you have to start to write the, if you can write the steps. If you can't, then it's also okay, but it's better to write the steps. It's good because page 1 to page 8 is for your MC style. MC question means ABCDs and the multiple choices. I did not put the multiple choices, of course, because I did not want to. Okay, but starting from page 9 and page until page 18, they are all section B and C, so you need some kinds of step. Even 1-2 steps is enough actually most of the time. Okay, so best of luck for the exam. Now I don't think I'm gonna continue anymore, even though I've left few pages. 3, 4, 5, yeah, 5 pages. It's a lot, I know, but time limit. Okay, so see you next time, hopefully. Allah Hafiz.